Alright, I'll walk you through our setup here. This is our hacked 300 watt power supply, hacked to output 3.8 volts, 60 amps. So that's coming in here, coming out on the positive side. So this should be 3.8 volts coming into this breaker, 150 amp breaker just in case, which is off at the moment. Coming up to the positive side of the battery cell we want to charge. Out of the negative, going through a Hall effect sensor so we can watch the current, and back to the negative side of the power supply. So this thing should put out 60 amps. And this battery I think is somewhere around half to 3/4 charged. So we ought to see it draw something like 40, 50, 60 amps. I don't know. Hopefully not more than that. And if that is the case, I'll quickly unplug it. So, the other thing is we can monitor the voltage right here, and I'm powering this from these other two cells to make 6 volts, enough to power this display. This display won't run on 3 volts, so it can't run on the cell that's being charged. Now the sense lead, if I connect it to the positive side of our little 6 volt battery here, sure enough we see 6.7 volts. And I've reset the ammeter so we're reading 0. I think if I connect this to the positive lead on our cell, we should read 3 point something. Oh, it's not the same ground. That's not going to work, I guess. So I guess we can just leave this on here. Hopefully it'll still measure current. Well, that's a bummer.